What if I told you that simple fries could turn into a rich, mouth-watering meal with just a little twist? Today, I'm showing you how to take boiled pork, golden fries, and everyday ingredients in your kitchen to create a dish that is so delicious you'll find yourself wanting to make it again and again. We are starting off with between 750 grams to 1 kilogram of potatoes already cut into French fries ready to be dipped into oil. Heat up your oil and gently lower them in. But here's the trick. Don't cook them all the way till golden brown. We just want them lightly fried so they hold their shape later in the stew. Once they're slightly crisp, set them aside because we'll come to these beauties later. Alright, as we continue the process, let me ask you something. Are you enjoying this recipe so far? Be honest. Does this idea of French fries and stew blow your mind a little? Just a little bit. If you're nodding your head right now, then this is the perfect time to hit that like button because it shows me without a doubt that you are actually enjoying these creative, outside the box recipes. And hey, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell because I've got so many more fun, delicious and unique recipes coming your way and I don't want you to miss any of them. But here's the part I love, hearing from you. So drop a comment down below and tell me, what do you think of this pork and fries stew, and what recipe would you like me to cook next? Your ideas inspire me, and who knows, your suggestion might just be the star of my next video. Imagine watching your recipe idea come to life right here on this channel. So don't be shy. Let's make this community where we can share, learn and create together. Like, comment and subscribe and let's keep cooking up surprises one recipe at a time. Right now, let's build that stew. In a large pot, add a drizzle of oil and throw in the 3 chopped onions. Cook them till they turn golden brown and release that sweet aroma. Next, we add our 400 grams of pork meat that's already boiled and cut into bite-sized pieces. Stir well and let it sizzle for a few minutes, soaking in all that onion flavor. Cover it briefly and let the steam work its magic. It's time for flavor. Add 4 chopped cloves of garlic and stir until it blends nicely with the pork. Then in goes the 6 juicy tomatoes. Stir and cook them down until they're soft, rich and almost saucy. This is what's going to coat every fry and every piece of pork with flavor. When your tomatoes are well incorporated, toss in a half of a green pepper cut into strips. This adds a fresh crunch and a pop of color. Then just a few drops of soy sauce for depth and that umami kick. Stir everything together and let it cook for a minute or two, just enough for flavors to marry. And now the star of the show, the fries, French fries. Add them gently into the stew. Don't rush. Use your spoon to fold them in slowly so that every piece gets coated without breaking apart. This is where the magic happens. The the French fries absorb all the savory juices while still holding the texture. Cover and let it cook for just a couple of minutes so everything blends beautifully.